Listen, I don't care if you've been in the packaging business for 10 years or 50. If you're struggling right now, it's not because your packaging sucks. It's because you're running your business like it's still 2005. The calls aren't coming in. The trade shows, they're a black hole where you burn 25 to 50K and walk around with a handful of unqualified leads. Sound familiar? Customers are ghosting you, and you're sitting there scratching your head like, what just happened? Here's the truth. The system you've been relying on is broken. It's dead. It's finished. You know what most packaging companies do when sales are flat? They double down on the same stupid playbook. Let's do another trade show. No one's walking the floor looking for you. They're Googling and asking AI, but yet you still want to do another trade show? Let's hire another rep. Really? You think another warm body who doesn't know specialized packaging is going to save you? That's lighting money on fire. Let's push harder through distributors. Newsflash, distributors don't give a shit about your innovative product. They're too busy selling tape and boxes that move fast. Wake up. That game is over. So why do packaging companies really struggle to grow in 2025? Simple. One, they're invisible. If buyers and decision makers can't find you when they search LinkedIn, YouTube, or even ask AI, you don't exist. Number two, you're reactive, waiting for the phone to ring, waiting for your distributor to call or to call you back, waiting for PackExpo? Seriously? Stop waiting. Be proactive. Use sales intelligence. Go where the attention is. And number three, you're scared of change. Okay? That's the killer. You know the system is broken, but you keep doing it because it's comfortable. You'd rather fail doing what's familiar than win doing what's new. That's why you're stuck. So let me tell you a quick story. Local manufacturer I know, good people, great product, spent $50K last year on trade shows and cold outreach. $50K. Guess how many sticky long-term accounts they landed? 0. We flipped the script for them. Instead of waiting, we use sales intelligence to find brands already hunting for eco-friendly liquid pouches in this case. In 90 days, 3 warm conversations, real opportunities, and real orders. Business, not because they hustled harder, but because they played smarter. That's the key difference. If you're leading a packaging company in 2025, here's what you need to burn into your brain. Ability beats hope. If buyers can't find you online, you don't stand a chance. Number 2, intelligence beats headcount. Stop wasting cash on reps that chase scraps. Invest in tools and systems that point you to the right buyers and vice versa. Number 3, change beats comfort. You don't get to hide behind, well, that's the way we've always done it. That's nonsense. Comfort zones are killing your growth. So here's my challenge. Stop whining about leads. Stop it. Stop waiting for PackExpo or Supply Side West to save you. Stop pretending that Veritiv or Stephen Gould rep is going to hand you a great new account. They're not. You have alternatives. Ask yourself the only question that really matters. How do we make it impossible for the right buyers and decision makers to miss us? That's the whole game. That's exactly what we're building with a specialized packaging alliance marketplace. Visibility, intelligence, real conversations with buyers and decision makers. So what are you going to do? Keep playing the same old game until you're forced to sell your business for scraps? Seriously. Or finally adapt and grow in 2025. It's your choice. It's not that hard. There are options. There are ways to do this without spending big money. That's the key thing I've been trying to promote to anybody who will listen. You have a massive opportunity to be the only game in the packaging space, packaging manufacturing, to be able to proactively attract decision makers and buyers to come to you. Now again, this is your choice. If you like the video, please like it, please subscribe. Please share this. We're trying to make a difference in this packaging space, and sharing this will actually help us. Thanks.